So now we connected all the white ones together, and I just one to come out so we don't have a mess of cables. And then we have all the black ones connected to one black one. So these are the ones that we're going to connect. Blue is negative and red is positive. So we're going to make a little, we're going to peel it a little bit, put that one there, tape it, and do the same with the blue one, the negative, and we'll go from there and we'll let you know how it's coming up. So, and this is what we're doing. See, we peel these cables right here, made a little gap so that we can tie this one, which is a white and it's positive, to right there. I'm gonna wrap it and you know, put them together. We're not gonna weld them. We don't have a little welder or anything like that. To each its own. If they want to weld it, that's great, but we don't. And then the black one is going to go onto that one. So now they're connected. We put the tape, we connected them here. We joined these so they just don't come apart. But this is where it's joined, this is where it's held, just to make this one stronger. And we did the same thing on the negative, which is blue, and the black. And you have to find out which one is negative and which one is positive. We found out online that the blue for this particular light, it's the negative, and this one is the positive. I don't know if everything goes like that, but we tested this, and that's how this one goes. And here, put in all that gasket seal all over. That black stuff. Where is my finger? Okay, there it goes. That black stuff all around. And the other side. Go ahead, baby. And that's how it's done. The light goes, the signal light goes in there, so that's why he's removing that little thing, little sticker there. All right, so that little light, that's the signal, goes in there. It's kind of common sense, it's okay. Make sure you put it the right way. You can up. There you go, up. No, I thought it was up. Oh, okay, I'm sorry. So let's see. I can get this one here. I'm trying to plug these two. Okay, I'm sorry. He's gonna do it there. Okay, it went in. Now matching these little sticks. Oh, did you measure these?
Yeah.
You did? Okay, great. Make sure the bottom cable doesn't come out. I think not, because you put them pretty tight. You kind of tighten them up. I think this is the hardest part. It's putting those in there.
Okay, one is in. Yeah, but only one. I can.
And that's how it's done. Now, take that plastic off. Holy kawamas, that looks nice. Look at the bottom, you have to clean it right there.
Mm-hmm.
Still, honey, look. There you go. Looks nice. Yes. And now we're going to do the rear ones. The rear ones are easy, plug and play.